Hey guys, welcome to the Disney Dudes. It's just me and Donald today. Adam is away, but I wanted to film our haul because we've just come back from Florida. We've been back for 2 weeks now and we bought some awesome stuff. So I thought I'd share it with you all because I know some of you are commenting on our stories on Instagram. So thank you so much for following us on there. If you don't follow us already, I'm going to drop down here the handle for our Instagram account and go and give us a follow because we post regularly on there. We post little snippets from our journey and basically we just love everything Disney and Orlando on the page. We are going to be breaking the rules slightly. I know we're called the Disney Dudes. We go to Florida very often. However, we are actually looking at planning some trips that are non-Disney. So if you're looking at vacationing in Europe or potentially further afield, give us a follow as well because we don't just feature Florida. Names may be a little bit deceiving. Anyway, let's crack on because I've got so much stuff I want to show you. I thought I'd start today by sharing with you, one, my fancy new microphone that I'm hoping is working that you can hear from me. This is Niwa, but anyway, add that below and I'll also put what camera we're using. But this shirt is from Printable. So if you can't see, we've got these for the Halloween, I keep calling it Halloween Horror Nights, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. And as you can see, it's got like Mickey's over it. It's got some of like the Mickey pumpkins. There's also, what else is in here? Like it says spooky. You've got like Mickey treats and stuff all over it. These are an absolute bargain, right? And we got so many comments on the night from people. This is from a company called Printable. They were £11.50. This is a small. I wish I'd gone up a size, so on the day I actually wore a vest underneath it because it can be feel quite tight across the back, but honestly the quality for 11 quid is brilliant. So I thought I'd wear it again today because it's very Halloween themed. We're posting this in the run up to Halloween, so I hope you're watching and got something spooky planned. But yeah, this is the first thing that we purchased for our trip. Normally we go all out, we've done like what's it called? Zavi for t-shirts and stuff before, but this time we thought actually we're just going to go in plain gym gear. It was really humid anyway, so it meant that we could keep cool, and also if it got wet it dried really quickly. But this was we purchased for the Halloween party. It was a great purchase. It did the job, and actually for £11 I didn't mind if it got ruined as well. Luckily it didn't, so now I get to wear it again. I'm probably going to wear it this Halloween as well. We're having a little Halloween party at the house. Moving on to my next purchase. I actually managed to find this in Disney Springs and I was so happy because this was actually on a mannequin, right? So this is like a baseball jersey. I'm going to hold it up and I'll show you the back as well. But this was honestly just, I loved it. All the details. It's got like established in 1971. It's got the like the annual pass emblem on it. Not that I'm an annual pass holder yet. And also it's got the Cinderella Castle on the sleeve. It was just really, really cute. It was nowhere in the Disney Springs stores. So this wasn't in the main Disney Springs store. It was in the outlet, not in the outlet. It was in the fashion section. So the next set of shops, I can never remember what they're called, as you head towards the Christmas shop. And this is on a mannequin. So I asked the team in there if they could help me basically, and could I have the one off the mannequin? She actually found me two. So she found me a, I think it was a large, and this is a small. So they're quite fitted, but I really like the shape of them, and also it's so subtle Disney. Honestly, I'm going to wear this at home as well. I'm always very conscious that when you're in the Disney bubble you can go overboard and buy loads of Disney stuff but you're never going to wear it again, unlike this shirt which basically suits all occasions. But I was so happy with this. So they managed to get them off the mannequin for me. I think I paid $70 for it, but I spent a lot more money on a lot more rubbish whilst I was in Florida. So this was an absolute bargain to me. The details great. Look, you can even see like the little Mickey emblem on the buttons. That was great. Next we're jumping to Universal. I'm very sad because we had Halloween Horror Nights tickets booked and we didn't get to go. Damn you, Milton. But I did still purchase this. Anyone that knows me knows I am obsessed with Minions. I've got them all in my car. I've got like Angry Minions, everything. So if you fancy ever gifting me anything, Minions is always appreciated. But this top was only $30 and I was looking for something for Halloween Horror Nights to wear. And to be honest, I don't know the horror films well enough to warrant buying a t-shirt that I'd never wear again. And this I will wear in the UK because I'm an actual big kid. But he looks so cool. The sad thing is this is also in a plush like Donald, and I didn't get it and I was so annoyed because I flew home and I forgot to purchase it and was in Universal on the last day as well. But this was a large because I wanted it slightly looser fit. I never feel comfortable in white, so I always go up a size, but I am normally a medium. But the sizing on them is really good. Basically, I did get a bit carried away, and I don't know if anyone's seen these before, but in Crocs, they actually do Buzz Lightyear Crocs, and I hate Crocs, right? In the UK, they're banned in my house. You're never allowed to wear them unless they're Disney, of course. So these are so funky, and they come with all of the little attachments that you have to buy normally. It says Andy on the inside, just make sure the light hits that, and it is so cool. They've got like the Buzz Lightyear lasers on the side, but the favourite thing about this, I don't know if you're going to see it, right, is that they light up. So when I went to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, obviously I wore these bad boys. Unfortunately, it did rain for a bit, but that meant that my feet also were great because they dried out so quickly and I could slosh through the puddles in these. They were awesome. But I was really torn, so I couldn't just get the Buzz Lightyear ones. I had to get the Woody ones too. How cool are these? So these are really cool because they've got the little sheriff's badge on them. They've got the Woody badge, the Woody hat, the logo for Woody. Also say Andy on the inside. Keep forgetting to hit the light on that. These sadly don't light up, but hey, I can get over that. But these are so cool. I think they were on offer, so they were like 70 quid a pair, but if you bought one, you got 25% off another. So I think I paid about £125 for these, which is crazy. But it made me happy. It also gave me something to wear. And actually, I now get the Crocs in parks because they were actually so comfy to wear when you were walking around. I know that you need to be careful on walkways and stuff because they can actually get caught in the people movers, you know, like they're moving walkways. So be careful if you do purchase Crocs there. What else did we buy? So this is actually for my downstairs loo. I don't know if you can see this on here. Let's zoom in. There we go. So this is like a hand towel, but they've got like little hidden Mickeys in them. So I thought it was really cute and subtle. And I'm all about, so home decor. I love Disney, but I'm all about subtlety. So this was really cute. Just a white towel for my downstairs loo. So that was lovely. This is bought from Disney Springs. They were available in the parks as well, but this was $20. So absolute bargain. Highly. I mean, go and get one. Get a spare one. I mean, I wish I bought two. I was going to buy two. I don't know why I didn't. Because I was going to buy one for, you know, when it's being washed or if someone gets it dirty. And then I saw these, and I'm going back to Mickey's subtlety now. These are actually Nike baseball caps, which I don't really wear a hat because of my hair. And although it's looking atrocious today, I have to say. But this hat is really cool. It's really lightweight. It's Nike Club Cap, which I'm presuming is like golfing hat, like in the US, but it's got the Nike logo on the back, and then on the front it's got like a black and white Mickey. So this hat was $40, which is about 35 quid, which is no different to what I pay for a normal hat at home. But I really liked it, especially as we're planning to go back to Disney as well next year, so I'll definitely get loads of wear out of it. And it's another thing that you could wear in the UK and people would kind of notice, but it's not going to be like, oh my god, I'm head to toe in Disney, which is not the vibe I ever want to go for. What else did we buy? Oh my god, I'm not even giving these to the dogs yet. I'm such a bad dog dad. They have had presents since we've been home, but these are Disney Eats, right? So this was in the same place that I got the jersey from, and this is basically Disney snacks because we love a Disney snack. So we bought some toys for the dogs. So Troy is really destructive, right? He will happily pull these to pieces, rip them to shreds. They'll be covered in blood in a minute. Not because he's vicious, just because he gets too excited when he plays. Cuts his gums and all the rope and everything. So yeah, these have been hidden until I showed you guys. I love the little Slurpee cup. That's really cute here. And they've also got a squeaker in. Frankie's downstairs, so she hasn't heard that. Otherwise she'll be rocketing up here. This is like a mini turkey leg, which is really cute with the bone on it, and it's got a little Mickey on there. And then this is meant to be a hot dog. It's going to be a very weird hot dog. These I did pay $35 for. Adam couldn't believe I was buying them. But one, you have to buy your dogs a treat because we ain't got kids. They are our kids. So this was the treat for the babies. Frankie will literally make this last probably years if Troy didn't get hold of them. Reality is I'm going to have to give them to her one at a time because he will just trash it. But she's obsessed with like fluffy things and things she can chew. So like this sippy cup, she will literally chew on the straw for hours and hours and hours. So that will keep her very, very entertained. $35 from Disney Springs. And that was also in like one of the back sections. It was basically all snack thing because you can also buy snack covers for your phone, all this kind of stuff. So that was really cool. That's that bag empty. What else? So we did go to Kennedy Space Centre on our trip. We haven't seen that episode yet, but it is coming. As you know, Adam buys Christmas decorations from everywhere, and this is the cute little Christmas decoration he bought. So it is cool. It's ceramic. This was such a bargain. So look, it's got like all of the NASA detailing on it. I think it's hand painted because you can tell by the detail. And it's just a cute little astronaut. We absolutely loved our NASA day. This was only $6.99, which is awesome. We bought something. What else did we buy? I think we've given it to our niece already. Oh, it was a little NASA torch thing. That was so expensive. I think we paid like $15 for the NASA torch versus this. So Christmas decorations at NASA are an absolute bargain. And it's just small and something detailed. As you like, basically we've got a travel tree because we are very lucky with how often we get to go away. So we always buy a decoration from each destination, but you're meant to do it per destination. Florida's kind of different for some reason. For every time we've been to Florida, Adam buys different things from the different attractions that we go to that he likes. So basically it's a tree of resemblance of Adam's love for places. But that's for Adam. That was cute. What else have we got here? So, oh my God, this is awesome. I really wanted a Winnie Sipper and didn't get one, basically, on the Mickey's Not So Scary party. If you're going, what's date? So it's 26, I mean, there's loads left. So if you're going, go straight away and get one if you really want one. However, I did see something on It's Orlando Time the other day, and someone literally said, pay the $65 on the website, on eBay to get your Sipper if you desperately want one. Because one, you're not really going to use it on the night anyway. And two, the queue for them is ridiculous. So luckily, I didn't waste any time in a queue. I really thought about it last minute and was like, oh, I'm going to go and get a Winnie Sipper. If you haven't seen it, go and look at it. It's basically Minnie Mouse dressed up as Winifred as a sipping cup thing. But they're at like $26, I think, in the park, but whatever. So I didn't get one. But as we all know, I love Toy Story. And this was in the parks in Hollywood Studios. Absolutely fell in love with it. It's Halloween themed because he's got a little pumpkin. He's got all the little buttons and everything. He's really cute. The straw's inside somewhere. I think it's inside. It better. Oh no, it's in my bag. That's good. So it comes with a clear straw as well, and a little strap so you can carry around. I picked this up as I was leaving the park because I was like, I actually want that for home. And I've told Adam that I want all drinks in this moving forward, including wine. So that'll be fun. But look at this. He just gets better and better. Every time I pick him up and play with it, not that I'm a big kid, I find something new about him, but they're really cute. This, I think I paid like $13 for this. Let me check. I've got my receipt. Yeah, this is like $13. Then a drink on top. So you get this and then you have to buy the drink, which was an absolute bargain, I thought. So go to Hollywood Studios. I literally picked this up as you walk into Hollywood Studios on the right-hand side where you would go and get like strollers and any mobility scooter rentals. There's a little station next to that. Picked it up straight away. I'm a little bit sad because I've managed to scratch the eye slightly, but I'm over it. He's really cute. He's actually going to sit in this office and I'm going to drink all of my drinks, potentially while I'm at work, out of him, you know, just sat on my team meetings, not paying any attention. So that was all of our little purchases in Disney, I think. I don't remember buying anything else. We were actually quite controlled, so I haven't gone completely overboard. However, we did make a little visit. So you'll also see we went to the Antique Mall, which is, it's in Lakeland, which is about, I'm about to say 20 minutes, I'm absolutely lying. It's 45 minutes from Disney. So we were staying at the All Stars Movie Resort, finished at Hollywood Studios one day, and we were like, okay, let's go to Lakeland. We'd heard about this before. LNS Adventures mentioned it on their vlog. We absolutely loved them. We met them out in Orlando, which was really lovely. So hello to you both. But basically, we went to the Lakeland Antique Mall, kind of like a Disney treasure trove, shall we say. So there's stuff in there that's been not donated, but it's stuff that people have bought and then they're reselling it from Disney itself. So you've got like tables in there from hotels, you've got decorations and artwork from hotels, but you've also got loads and loads of Disney memorabilia. It is not a Disney antique centre, but it has a lot of Disney stuff in there. So we went to have a little look around. One, it was just a great thing to do. Make sure you allow time because honestly, the place is massive. It is included in our vlog, but basically there was about I don't even know how many rows there were. There were so many rows. It took us 2.5 hours to look around the whole thing. And that was kind of properly. We were only really honing in on the Disney stuff because I wanted to see if there was anything I wanted, which there was. I'm just going to show you that now. But if you even there was people that live locally that were going there to look at vintage lamps and stuff or things for their house. So it was really cool to go and look at. There's a lot of things as well. So if you're looking for lounge flies, there was some lounge flies there, especially for like Halloween. Obviously Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party is coming up, so I'm sure there'll be stuff on brand for that as well. But there was stuff that was still available in the parks in there for reduced prices. Obviously it's secondhand, but who cares, right? You're literally going to buy a lounge fly, probably use it once when you're at Disney and then chuck it on a wall or in a cupboard until you go the next time. So it was great to see some bags that also aren't available in the parks, and there was a lot of Universal stuff as well. But anyway, so my first purchase when I went there was this little pocket watch, right? I love pocket watches anyway, but this I found in, oh no, why is it not focusing? There we go. This I found in one of the cabinets. It needs a new battery in it, which I need to sort out, and this is inside. Oh my God, can you hear that? So it's basically all of the Disneys around the world that are written around the front of it. It makes noise when you open it, which is amazing. So it's literally got Anaheim, Paris, Orlando, Tokyo written on the Disney Railway, and basically little Mickey on the front. This I paid a grand total of $12 for. So love that, and it's really cute. It did come, I was cracking up. So it came in a Rolex box because genuine boxing and stuff, but literally $12. Can't complain at that. Don't know if that's focusing or not. But $12 for Mickey as train engineer pocket watch. And then I found this. So this is a really cute little tin just on its own. Look at the Mickey head on here. That was really fun. And then this was also hidden. I think a staff member had hidden it. But this is another pocket watch that I cannot open the tin for. Maybe I should have done this before. Which is actually like the one I wanted. But it's just really simple. It's like a goldy colour. Mickey on the front. And then when you open it up, oh, it's so cute. Oh my God, I need to get a frame because it never does this. So it's got Mickey inside and Mickey and all of his friends. So when the clock goes round, all of the friends move around. So it is a Mickey and Friends watch, but it's really cute. This doesn't make any noise, which is very sad. But absolutely love it. And I paid a lot more money for that. I think I paid, this said I paid $35. I did not pay $35. I think I paid $90 in total for the both of them. So one was literally $12. So I must have paid about $70 for that. But I was like, actually, I really like it. It's really cute. And as something tasteful Disney, oh my God, I can't get back in the box. Whatever. As something tasteful Disney, I thought, hey, whatever. I've spent so much money over the years on stuff that I've actually binned. Because I didn't want it in the end, or maybe redonated to someone. So that was basically my little finds. So that was everything we bought at Disney, plus lots of snacks and lots of drinks, and yeah, had a great time. So thanks for watching. That's our little haul. If any questions at all, please drop them in the comments below, or follow us on Instagram. You can message us directly. But I hope you enjoyed. That was our little haul, and I'm now going to go and get out of this top because all these lights are making me really, really hot. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.